All right, hey guys, welcome back. This morning we're going to be working on step 7. The first part of step 7 is we're going to bolt this control horn slash counterweight, whatever you call it. Counterweight will hook up here. We're going to bolt it to the elevator with these AN3 bolts, and we'll torque the bolts to 1.5 to 2.0 foot-pounds. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. There's a second part where we're gonna rivet on these angle reinforcement angles, and I'll come back for that part. Alright guys, I got that finished. These nuts were hard to get to. They're up in between there, and when I was trying to get to it, there we go, right there. My fat little fingers could barely even get in there. And then I had a hard time getting a wrench on there to torque the bolts. But they're torqued to 2 foot-pounds, and I put some torque goop, whatever that stuff's called, onto the threads. That way you can see if the nut's backing off. I got the 4 bolts on there and torqued. Also remember, previous step you put this top bolt in, but you didn't torque it. That's because you had to remove it to get these bolts in. These 2 here. And then I torqued that, and also put some thread locker to make sure that nut doesn't back off. I allodyne some parts, so that part's allodyne, that's why it looks a little different. Tried that out. I didn't really like the allodyne process. I'd probably go back to my original plan, but that first part of the step is complete, and we'll start on the second part here. Alright, last part of the step, we'll just cleco these reinforcement angle brackets here. It has us rivet them on step 8, so I'll just click on to end step 7, and then the riveting part will continue in the next step. So I'll go ahead and click those into place, and that'll be the end of this step. Man, those bolts were hard, but we got them. All right.
For real-time updates on the build, please follow me on Instagram, brads_aviation_channel. Also follow my builder's blog at bradslingtsi.wordpress.com. Step 7 took 1 hour 30 minutes to complete. Total time so far in the empennage, 53 hours.